Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the cosine rule. In a non-right angled triangle, the cosine rule can be applied to calculate a missing side given its opposite angle and two adjacent sides. The formula is as follows: c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of the given angle. Now it's very important that we look at the position of the values that we have. To find this side, we must be given its opposite angle. We couldn't use, say, this angle here, which is angle B. Can't use that one. And we can't use angle A. We must use the side that is opposite to the, we must use the angle opposite the side that we've been given, or that we are looking for. And these two sides are the ones adjacent to the given angle. Alright, let's just take a look at this and we'll apply it to these two triangles. Use the cosine rule to calculate the missing side. In this case, we're finding x squared. Actually, I'll give you a little tip on how to memorize this. So to memorize this, we'll label this C, that's A, and that's B. To memorize our formula, we just do Pythagoras. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. It's really just this that I have to remember. So it's Pythagoras theorem minus 2AB cos C. Anyway, so let's substitute our values in. C squared is now x squared, substituting x. A and B don't really matter whether, if this is A and that's B, we can swap them around so long as we have that, so long as we have the angle adjacent to both of them. So there's going to be 15 squared plus 19.2 squared minus 2 times 15 times 19.2 times cosine 72 degrees. Now, it's very tempting to type all of this into the calculator, but I found from just experience, typing it all in one go causes a lot of problems. So I tend to just do that first, the two sides first. So 15 squared plus 19.2 squared, just that first. 563.64, and then I do everything here. So it's minus 2, 15, 19.2 cosine 72 minus 177.99378. Putting them together, so 563.64 minus 177.99378. Very long number, 385.64612. And now remember, this is just x squared. What we are looking for is just x by itself. To do that, we take the square root of both sides. This will give us, I'm going to take this answer here, take the square root of all of that. So this, all in all, this gives me 19.64, and this is in centimeters. That's to the nearest 2 decimal places. Let's do this one more time. Once again, we're looking for this side, so it's going to be y squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2 times AB minus 2AB, so 2, 18, 22.1, cosine of the angle that's opposite the missing side. So this is going to be cosine of 60. For this one, for the sake of time, I'm going to be writing it all in one go, but I highly advise you to do it a little bit at a time. Minus 2 times 18 times 22.1 times cosine of 60. Well, that should be times here. Oh my. Try it one more time. 18 squared plus 22.1 squared minus 2 times 18 times 22.1 times cosine of 60. There we go. This is 414.61. And once again, to take y by itself, we take the square root of this answer. So taking the square root of this gives us 20.36 meters to the nearest 2 decimal places. I hope that gave you an insight into applying the cosine rule to calculate missing sides. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.